What is love? In my perspective, love is not an act or something na imong buhaton, but it is a sweetness of your emotion or quality of your emotion. However, most of the people there is a kalibutan, love for them is like a transaction. When we say transaction, it's like a marketplace. How much imong makuha, pila imong profit. Moingon pagid imong uyab nga, how much do you love me? Unsa dapat ito bag? I love you 1 kilogram? If you treat manggod love as a transaction, along the way you will be disappointed. In order to activate the sweetness of your emotion, somehow you need to give up the idea of who you are. Identity is very important sa survival aspects sa atong life. Pero when it comes to inner journey, mahimo na nato siyang limitation. So back to love. If somehow you can manage to activate the sweetness of your emotion without any help or any external stimuli, you will be a different human being. When you see everything in a teary eye, when you are a loving human being, you will be a blessing to everyone. Peace and love.